Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this TedGem mobile air conditioner. It's a special air conditioner because it comes with new technology. It's a portable air conditioner. It's a mini air cooler with 3 wind speed level you can choose from and 1000 milliliter water tank. A water tank? Yes, because here it's the different way of an air conditioner. An air conditioner works with a special liquid which transformed into steam by using a pump system. But here it's others. Here it comes with water, and water will go in the air and cool it up, baby. That's really cool. It's smart. 7 colors are included. That means you can make a colorful ventilation thing with that. We have 2 spray functions, 2 and 4 hour timer. This is for your rooms, for the office, for the sleeping room, for the living room, for the desktop, and so on. That means here, this is the energy saving and environmentally friendly version of it. Compared to, for example, our expensive air conditioning at home, this portable air cooler here has no compressor and does not use chemical refrigerants. And this is better for the nature. It is designed for personal portable use and blows out the cold air through water evaporation. Really smart. This is making us feel really refreshing while the sun is shining and it's so hot out there. And if it is hot outside, maybe it's inside hot too, or isn't it? Yes, often so it is. Instead of allowing warm air to circulate like a normal fan, but you can use this here as a fan, a standard fan too, it's possible. And it's more environmentally friendly and safe for us. In this case here, we have a mobile 4-in-1 air conditioner. This personal air conditioner can be used as a fan, a mini air conditioner, also as a humidifier and an air purifier. If we add some ice and water to the water tank for evaporative cooling, this portable air cooler here releases cool, moist air and is equipped with a lightweight and a portable USB charging cable to keep us cool and comfort anywhere. Anywhere it's possible, because if you're going to use a power bank or as power supply, you can use this ventilation thing here and cooling thing where you like. That makes your mobile with that device. Of course, there is an AC adapter included for European standard. For UK, it's a UK standard, and for America, it's an American plug, for example. But you can use this by power supply by your computer or your USB socket too. No problem for it, because it's USB charging or USB operated. We have a 1 liter of large water tank, and that means a long running time. This portable air conditioner is equipped with a large water capacity tank up to 1000 milliliter. We does not need to add water several times. It can be cool for a few hours after adding the water. Easy to use and low power consumption. This is the best fact here. 3 wind speeds and 45 degrees angle oscillation is possible. This mini air conditioner has 3 wind speeds or settings, high, medium, and low. You can choose these by pushing on the touch button on the left upper side. This long press means you can switch it on and switch it off the device. Short press means fan version 1, fan version 2, fan version 3. The next button is to make a 2-hour and 4-hour timer, and long press makes an LED colorful atmosphere with that device. Then the third push button is for the coolant system, for evaporate water a little or a little bit more. And the fourth button on the right side, the upper button, is to run the movement of the fan system. Really cool. That means 45 degrees angle oscillation. That's cool. That's cool. Two spray modes that get us through the hot summer, and it has an automatic oscillation function. We simply press the oscillation control button for that, then it oscillates with a wide angle of plus minus 45 degrees. So we can feel the cool air from left to right. And the 7 light emitter diode light and gradient mode is there too. The air cooler has two built-in timer options, 2 hours or 4 hours, which makes it more convenient for daily use. The multicolored LED night light function provides a unique gradient mode and creates a romantic atmosphere at night or in the dark. It works powerfully at low noise level and let us sleep comfortably, sleep all night long. We have touch screen buttons on the upper side. We have a handle to make it mobile. We have the water tank, which is in the device, in the appliance, an indicator light that shows us which mode we choose from. We have the fan in the center and a water meter to see how much water is there. So the on and off button on the upper left side, we long press for 3 seconds to start the machine, and we start the first gear. Short press, start the second gear. Short circuit, the third gear again, and we press and hold to shut down. Then we have a timer function and an LED button. Short press wants to open for 2 hours. Short press the second time for 4 hours. Short press the third time to close the timing function. And 7 color function. Long press to turn on the 7 color lamps, and then long press to turn them off again. We have the cool button. Single press to open the spray mode for the first gear. Press again for the second gear for large spray option, and press the third time to close the spray unit. Of course, we have the shake head mode. We press the fan to enable the shake head function, which can be used for multiple angles and scenarios. This is a personal air cooling device. It's good for up close and small spaces. Just don't expect it to cool our entire room. Before we can use it, we have to plug it in, and then of course we have to enter a little bit. The best thing is ice water added into it, and then we can start the appliance. The product model is in YP2306. It works with a voltage of DC 5 volt. The power is 10 watt maximum. The round about 1 kilogram of the weight. Wind speed level 123. Water tank capacity is 900 milliliter up to 1 liter. And the product size is 140 to 130 to 258 millimeters. This is the TedGem mobile air conditioner here. Really cool device for hot summer days. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun sun.